Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the drive belt on a Ford Fiesta. Begin by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and locating the belt routing diagram under the hood. Use a 15 mm or 3/8 drive to release the tensioner, slip off the old belt, compare the new belt to the old one, and route the new belt according to the diagram. Retension, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to verify correct alignment and operation. Replacing the belt requires the right tools and a clear plan. Start by removing engine covers and accessories blocking belt access, then inspect pulleys for wear or wobble. If any pulley shows damage, replace it before installing the new belt. Clean pulley grooves gently and apply light lubricant to idler bearings only if specified by manufacturer. Double-check belt routing and ensure correct tension before running the engine to avoid premature wear. Safety and testing are essential to a lasting repair. After installing the belt, torque all fasteners to spec and reconnect the battery. Start the engine and watch belt tracks for 30 seconds to ensure smooth operation and no squeal. Listen for abnormal noises and recheck tension after a short test drive. Keep a spare belt and basic tools in the car for quick roadside fixes to prevent being stranded. Document the belt size and purchase info.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.